Good afternoon, peeps. Welcome back to the channel. I know I've been missing for a while, but I had a lot of things dealing with still, A lot of things dealing with. Plus, today I'm watching the World Cup. I'm a Brazil man, so yeah. Brazil is my side, the big side. Anyway, peeps, I'll be doing a little soup today. I feel for some soups. I feel like I'm going to do a little soup, but I feel like I just want to do something a little different with soup, so making a vegetable soup with some conch here, some cow skin, and like a piece of beef. Alright, peeps, and this is what I'll be adding in: my Irish, my sweet potato, my carrots, some okra, my chocho, my pumpkin, and my yellow yam, peeps. Yeah, peeps, so this is what I'll be looking about for today for my din din. So as I go along and start to prepare everything, peeps, I will show you what's going on. So keep on watching, peeps. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, man, back again. Well, you don't know Mr. Wise Choice talking. So here, prepare the cow skin, the beef, and the conch. Yeah, man, all cut up nice. Which I'll be pressuring. I'll be pressuring the conch and the cow skin. I don't think I'll be pressuring the beef because it's relatively soft. And all my vegetables here all prepared. Alright, I have my sweet potato, my pumpkin, my okra, my yam, my carrot, chocho. Yeah, man, all of that all prepared, peeps. So it look pretty. Yeah, man. So what I'll be doing, I'm going to be pressuring the cow skin and the conch together. So peeps, let's continue watching, alright? You'll see the process. Yeah, my peeps. So I've added my cow skin and conch to the pressure pot. Put in about 4 cloves of garlic. So I'm going to be pressuring this down now. Conch and the cow skin. Yeah, man, Wise Choice style. Yeah, babe, so I'll be pressuring this for about half an hour and check it. I'm pressuring it overall until it's soft. That I'm going to do it for the first half an hour and check it, because I forget the cow skin is very tough and the conch is tough also. So I need to be pressuring them for about half an hour and then I'll check it and see what's happening. Okay, peeps? Yeah, man, keep on watching. Yeah, my peeps. So basically, the conch and the cow skin is now soft, so I'm going to add in the beef. The beef seems soft, so I didn't want to pressure it together and make it mash out too much, by it getting too soft. So I'll be adding in a few pieces of beef now, beef stew. And then now I'm going to pressure it a little bit more, take it off, and then transfer this into my soup pot. Alright, peeps? Yeah, man, now you will see what is going on from right there. So just continue watching the Wise Choice channel. So I'm currently doing a vegetable soup with cow skin, stewed beef stew, and cow skin. Wise Choice style. Just a different style, Yeah, peeps. Blessed love. Yeah, my peeps. All the meats, the proteins are basically cooked. So I'm going to be adding in my veggies now. My pumpkin, okra, sweet potato, yam, and the good old chocho. Yeah, peeps, just like that. See that? Yeah, man. Adding in all the veg now. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, man. Yeah, ladies, anytime you cooking, you can cook these soup for the gentlemen, husbands or boyfriends, Yeah, man, good stuff. Conch, cow skin. Mad thing, man, mad thing. Yeah, peeps, just like that. Just like that, peeps. Yeah, nice, call that pretty. See that, peeps? Pretty. Wow, look at that. Yeah, peeps, I just going to make this cook a little now, and I'll be adding in some dumplings. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, man, just like that. Yeah, man, so this soup is vegetable soup with conch, cow skin. See it there, peeps? Cow skin and beef stew. Yeah, man, check it out, peeps, when I'm adding in the dumplings. Yeah, man, so come back. Yeah, peeps. I have my flour already now. I have a base color just making some spinners. Just like that. Just spin them off. Call these spinners, people, spinners. Just like that, peeps. Yeah, peeps, so as I say, I'm dropping in the spinners them. Basically, that'll be the dumplings. And also now, peeps, I'll be adding in my seasoned ingredients, which is my thyme, my onion, scallion, some more garlic, and some black pepper seeds. Sorry, not black pepper seeds, pimento seeds, peeps. Sorry about that. Yeah, peeps. I know Scotch bonnet, real Scotch bonnet. So Scotch bonnet, they're pretty, peeps. Yeah, man. Just like that, peeps. Look at that. Wow. Look at that, peeps. Nice. So those peeps, you know, Mr. Wise Child cook with a lot of seasoning, you know, because food have to taste good, you know, well flavored, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, just like that. Yeah, peeps, so this base scallop, just going to make this cook down now. I'm going to add some more spinners and let this cook down now. Everything is cooked in. Then I'll show you the finish soup. Alright, peeps? Yeah, man. So forward. Yeah, peeps, look at that. Yeah, man, cooking now nice. Spinners in. All ingredients in now, peeps. Look at that, man. Cheese, man. Nice. Yeah, peeps, so I'll be adding in my Grace cock soup. Yeah, man, specialty of Jamaica when you come on to these type of soup. The spicy one. Yeah, peeps, so this will give us flavoring and also, you know, some salt. Some sodium in it to taste. Look at that, peeps. Wow. Yeah, no. Look at that. Well, peeps, you know, I love some of that soup, you know. Look at that, peeps. Nice. Nice. Yeah, peeps, so when I'm complete to finish, you know, I'll show you the finished product and how it look, you know. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, man, all finished now, you know. All finished. Wow. Nice. Yeah, man. Conch, cow skin, and beef. Mad thing, peeps. Mad thing, mad thing. Mr. Wise Child style, you know. Look at that, peeps. Look at that. With all the vegetables and thing in it. Nice. Yeah, peeps, so once again, you know, thanks for watching, and apologize, you know, for taking so long to put out another video, but you know it goes sometimes, you know. Yeah, peeps, so thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel, to Wise Child channel. Greatly appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yeah, man. Blessed love to all. Wise Child channel.